मुकामी ज़राए के मुताबिक इस तारीखी इमारत को एंटीक्विटी डिपार्टमेंट से इजाज़त लिए बगैर तोड़ा गया, जो सिंध हेरिटेज एक्ट 1994 के आर्टिकल।
सलाम दोस्तों, हिसाम मेमण भाई शिकारपुर जे प्लेटफॉर्म तां ही शेखवाला में जाइ आहे जेका 1203 इमारतुनि में डिक्लेयर्ड हेरिटेज हुयो उनखे ठातो वियो आहे।
Standing here in the narrow streets of Shikarpur, we witness the quiet collapse of history as this once grand heritage building slowly surrenders to time and neglect. Authorities have officially issued a formal notice ordering an immediate halt to all further demolition of this historic site. The damage to this historic site is profound and heartbreaking. We are standing amidst the ruins of what was once a protected landmark.
Why do ancient ruins make such great storytellers?
Because they are always full of history and have so many stories just waiting to be told. The crumbling walls of this historic site reflect a fading past that demands our immediate attention to preserve the rich
ज़िलही इंतज़ामिया पर हैं। सवाल ये है कि क्या शिकारपुर का तारीखी वरसू महफूज रह पाएगा या ये कदीम शिनाख्त।
Now all eyes are on the district administration. The question is whether Shikarpur's historical heritage will be preserved. All eyes are now on the district administration. The question is whether Shikarpur's historical heritage will be preserved or if
Local sources confirm this historic building was demolished without permission from the Antiquities Department, a clear violation of Article 10
the heritage of Shikarpur is being systematically destroyed and the laws meant to protect our history are being ignored. It is truly devastating to witness the ongoing destruction of our historical heritage in Shikarpur, where precious architectural sites
official notice from the Antiquities Department is here to ensure the protection of our heritage in Shikarpur. That is correct. Damaging these sites is a clear breach of law and we must respect the history.